Hi guys, welcome to this session on Microsoft Word. In this module I want to show you how you can create a mail merged document as an individual PDF file. So mail merged to PDF files, individual files. Now when you go to the Mailings tab in Word, you haven't got a generic feature that will allow you to mail merge to a PDF. What you need to do first off before you get started is get this add-in called Merge Tools. Now this add-in needs to go in the startup folder of Word. This is the website that you can get that from, so mergetoolsaddin.com. That is the actual website there. I'll post that in the link later on. So just come back into Word. Now to get the downloaded template file into your Word startup folder, you need to get into the startup folder. Now most computers, the startup folder would be here, so Windows users, whatever your username is, application data, roaming, Microsoft Word, startup, and then this is the file that gets downloaded when you go to that website and download it, along with a load of instructions as PDF files. That needs to be pasted into this startup folder before you open Word. And if I just minimize that, when you open Word it will appear as an add-in at the end there, which is what this is. Now to start the process, you start your normal mail merge process. So first off, let's say we're going to do a letter, select recipients. I'll use an existing list and just go and get it from examples. Access, I'll use an access table, company records, I'm going to find it, that one, and address details. So if I go into edit recipient list, you can see there's quite a few there. I am just going to use the title, first name and surname for this demonstration, but obviously whatever your document is, just quick look at that, you can see that got about 12 or 13 records in there altogether. So you set up your merge document how you want it, and then you have to save it. If you don't save it, this merge tool add-in will prompt you to save it. So I'm just going to Control S this, call it main PDF letter. It's going in documents, so I'll just leave it like that, save, and then I go on to this merge tool feature. So what I want to do is merge to individual documents, so I'll click on this little tool. This box comes up and it says select fields that contain the data to be used as file names. So in this example I'll just use the surname field, and then it says select the type of files to be created. So I could do this as a Word document. You can actually do Word documents as separate files just using Word itself, but PDF files you can't. So I'll click on PDF and then click continue. Asks me if I want to merge all the records. Yes I do. Click OK. Comes up with this. I'll click escape to that, and then it's asking me to create a folder or select a folder. I'll just do new folder, PDF folder, OK, and then it merges into that folder. Now if I go into that folder, what I should have in documents is a PDF folder, and in the PDF folder I've got a PDF file for each of those people. So it's created PDF documents, separate file per record. So that is how you can use the mail-in feature to merge to individual PDF documents. So hopefully this video has been of use. I will put the link in the comments. Thank you for your time. Catch you in the next one.